Good morning, respected judge lecturers and industry expert. My name is Ang Jing Chuan, and today I am excited to introduce On Makan, an industrial meal management platform designed especially for industrial parks. Every day, millions of industrial workers struggle to obtain a proper meal during limited lunch break. At the same time, manufacturing companies face administrative challenges in managing employee meal benefit with local food. Vendors experience unpredictable customer demand and food waste. We believe this is not simply a food delivery platform, it is an operational efficiency problem. Today, we will demonstrate how All Makan solve this challenge while creating value for all stakeholders. Before discussing our solution, let's first understand the problem. Imagine you are a production operator working in an industrial park. You have only 45 minutes for lunch. By the time you walk to the restaurant, queue for food, waiting for preparation, and return to work, most of your break has already been used. This problem extends beyond workers. Manufacturing companies still manage meal allowance manually, creating unnecessary administrative work for HR departments. Local food vendors face unpredictable customer demand, resulting in excess food, wasted resources, and unstable daily revenue. Existing problems, such as GrabFood, the platform, and Foodpanda, were designed for general consumer. They were never specially developed to address the operational needs to industrial parks. This opportunity is supported by strong market potential. According to the Department of Statistics Malaysia, Malaysia manufacturing sector employ approximately 2.4 million workers and generate over 1.4 trillion in annual sales. Our initial target market in Kamunting Industrial Park in Perak, where numerous manufacturing companies operate close proximity. By starting with one industrial park and expanding systematically to other manufacturing hubs across Malaysia, On Makan has significant growth potential with a large and understanding market. On Makan ecosystem is Malaysia's first industrial management platform that digital connects industrial workers, manufacturing companies, and local food vendors through one centralized ecosystem. And workers can pre-order meal before lunch, and vendors receive advance orders for better preparation, and manufacturing company can manage employee meal benefit using HR dashboard. Rather than functioning as another on-demand delivery application, on-demand focuses on schedule, meal management, operation efficiency, and long-term partnership with industrial park. And this creates value for every stakeholder in the ecosystem. Product features overview. So our value proposition, our competitive advantage lies in serving three different customer groups simultaneously. For industrial park workers, we provide convenience, meal pre-ordering, schedule delivery, and QR code pickup and save value lunch time. For manufacturing company, we digitalize meal allowance, meal through an integrated HR dashboard that reduce administrative workload while improving employee welfare. For food vendors, our platform offers demand forecasting, advanced order management, and sales analytics that help reduce food waste while increasing business stability. Unlike existing competitors, our solution is purpose-built for industrial meal management rather than general food delivery. Our business flow is business to consumer, which is B2B to C model. Revenue is generated through multiple income streams. First, we earn commission from every meal transaction completed through the platform. And second, we charge delivery fees for scheduled meal distribution. Third, manufacturing companies schedule to our HR meal management dashboard. Additional revenue comes from premium worker subscription and advertising opportunity for food vendors. This diversified revenue stream reduce financial risk, while creating recurring income for long-term sustainability. So for competitive advantage, although GrabFood and foodpanda dominate the food delivery market, they are not only direct competitor. Their business model focus on general consumer delivery. All Makan specialize exclusively in industrial meal management. Our integrated HR, dashboard, and schedule factory meal credit management and vendors demand forecasting create a unique competitive advantage that existing platform do not currently provide. This specialization enables us to serve an understanding market with higher operational efficiencies. So for financial overview, our financial projection demonstrate the commercial validity of Makan. In our first year of operation, we project total revenue of approximately 76,000 K, 760,000 K, sorry, supported by multiple recurring revenue stream. Despite startup investment in technology, marketing, operation, we expected to achieve positive net profit while maintaining healthy cash flow. As we expand into additional industrial park across Perak, Penang, Selangor, and Johor, we anticipate significant revenue growth through increased user adoption and corporate partnerships. Our growth roadmap for future growth, our growth strategy is carefully planned. So during year one, we will focus on successfully launching just within Kamunting Industrial Park, which is in Taiping, Malaysia, validating our business model first. In year two and year three, we will expand into other industrial park across Perak before entering large manufacturing hubs in Penang, Selangor, and Johor. Our long-term vision is to become Malaysia's leading industrial park meal management platform, supporting both industrial productivity and sustainable business growth. So, investment opportunity. We are now seeking strategic partnership and investor. We share our vision transforming industrial park meal management in Malaysia. Investment will primarily be used to enhance platform development, expand delivery operations, strengthen marketing effort, and establish partnership with more manufacturing company and local food vendor. All market is more than a food ordering application. So it is scalable digital economy that improve worker well-being, increase business efficiency, reduce food waste, and create sustainable value for multiple stakeholders. We invite you to join us in shaping the futures of industrial meal management. Thank you for your time, and we welcome your question. Thank you.